This game is called Leftovers with 100. The goal of this game is to keep track of your remainders throughout the game and then add them up at the end. The player with the larger sum wins. To get started, player 1 will start by choosing a divisor from the list of divisors to divide 100 by. For example, you might choose 7. Use the X to cross out the used divisor. Then, write the division number sentence using the first column as the dividend. In this case, it would be 100 divided by, you can either use the slash symbol for division, or if you're on a keyboard, if you hold down the Alt button and have a number pad, you can hold down Alt and do 0247 to create a division symbol. If you do not have a number pad, this will not work, so you can just use the slash. But 100 divided by 7, which is our divisor. Then use the Jamboard link in the bottom right hand corner, or use a whiteboard and marker to solve 100 divided by 7. I know that 100 divided by 7 equals 14 remainder 2. This means the remainder is 2, and I'm going to put my name here. For our example, we'll just say player 1. Then, it's player 2's turn. To start, we subtract the remainder from the starting number. So the starting number was 100. Now, we're going to subtract the previous remainder, which is 2, from 100, making the starting number 98. That means the dividend will be 98. Player 2 will then choose a new divisor from the list of divisors left, and cross out whatever one they use. For example, they may choose to do a divisor of 5. Cross out the divisor 5, and then type in the division number sentence. 98 is the dividend, divided by 5 equals, then use the Jamboard to do it digitally, or use a whiteboard and marker to solve on your own. 98 divided by 5 is equal to 19 remainder 3. Therefore the remainder is 3, and this is player 2's name. Play continues until all divisors have been used up at the top here, or if the dividend is too small to be divided, and still get a quotient of a whole number. Each player will then add up their remainders, and the player with the larger sum is the winner. Have fun!